these clay pots from Home Depot, and I don't like the color of the clay, so I'm just painting them white because these are cheaper than buying, you know, a white pot, and no one's gonna notice, I'm sure of it. Painted from Belgium. Okay, so these are the pots. They're sitting on top of this Domino's box. Yeah, they're just gonna dry, and let me show you which plants they're for. Hi, baby. They are for these two plants right here because I'm pretty sure this one is starting to die because it's in this. Right now, the soil is a little bit moist. This one is so dry, like it just needs to come out of here. So I think these pots are looking pretty good. I have been neglecting these two plants right here. As you can see, this one is just really depressed, and I know it's probably a lot to do with the fact that it's not happy in its little container anymore, so I'm going to pot these. So I got my indoor potting mix and my pot. So I have all of this food over here that I want to organize in my pantry. Kind of a busy day, and I'm going on a hike later. And I need to eat breakfast as well. So I am currently burning a piece of bacon. So I am currently making some breakfast and watching a stream. Dre OG. I just found this creator, and it was like a recommendation to me, and it was like conspiracy theories. You guys have seen me make this before. I put some lemon juice in there. Some garlic salt. Oop, put a little too much. Coffee is so good. I love coffee so much. Okay, I'm going to hang these pictures really quick.
I'll try so hard to fade away. I'll try so hard to fade away, but something's forcing me to stay. It'd be easier for me if I tell you to flee, oh. But there's something holding on in the way of being long gone.
supposed to be a really nice view at the top. I just went to Target and I just picked up some stuff. I am running low on cranberries, so I got some of those. I'm trying to have some Brussels for my dinner tonight. I'm having my friend over on Wednesday for dinner and I needed some asparagus. And then I bought some bacon for like breakfast and stuff. And then I bought some of these that I'm going to like, I'm gonna put them in here with like snacks and stuff, so make it all cute and stuff. But yeah, right now I am about to make some dinner, and then honestly, like, I'm so excited about this, I'm probably gonna put these in there while I'm cooking. I also want to do this drawer, but I want to do like my baking stuff in there so that it's a little bit more organized, because right now, well, okay, I put these bins down here. This is my baking section and it's just a mess. So I want to like somehow organize all of my baking stuff in here. Also going to a wedding this weekend. I'm not sure how appropriate it's going to be for me to like vlog my additional bag. Oh no, I feel like that's pretty full. Let's like kind of throw this in here really quick and see what I can do.
Under my wings, I can feel the air pulling me up as I leave there. Return to the
Okay, now this little snack drawer is like basically complete. I only put these lollipops there because I needed to fill it, but I'm pretty happy with this. Really quick, if you are wondering why I have a bandage on, yeah, so I was at work at the yoga studio and I grabbed a door handle and my hand like slipped off the door handle, which was metal, and my nail snapped off completely. And these are my real nails. It is the following day. I literally have banged it into everything. I got this off of Amazon. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. Everybody do it. I will have this can organizer linked down below as well, and everything that I got to organize all of this is pretty cheap because I'm not trying to spend lots of money on all of this. You don't have to see the labels on them if you don't want to. That way I can have more room here. Like, do you see, like, this takes so much room. And I got these, like, ramens at World Market, and I got this bin at Target, or no, Walmart. I have these Boom Chicka Pop popcorns. I got these at the dollar store.
I could walk right in, ooh, but it's so much harder than it sounds. I know it's closing if I just stand still, 'cause you won't wait forever, so just hear me out. It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try. Even if the odds are in my favor, I just need more